ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ Welcome to the sixth matra of Gurmukhi, which is Bihari. Before we go on with the different sounds that we can get from the Bihari matra, let's understand the different rules that we have to remember while using the Bihari matra. The very first rule is Bihari matra will be on the right side of the letter. So this is my letter and Bihari matra will be like this. If you remember the Sehari matra, which we can say the sister matra of Bihari matra, it would be on the left side of the letter. So if this is my letter, this will be my Sehari. So this is Sehari and this is Bihari. So this is the basic difference between both the matras. Just remember that. The second rule is the sound of Bihari will be E, like the English alphabet. Third and the most important rule, Bihari cannot be used with Uda and Ada. We cannot use Bihari with these two letters. So the Bihari matra will be on the right side of the letter. Its sound will be E and we cannot use Bihari with Uda and Ada. There is one fun fact also, which is that in India there is a state, Bihar. And a person living in there is known as Bihari, like we have here. Our matra's name, right? Bihari. So this is something that might help you to remember this matra. Bihar, Bihari. Bihari is a matra in Gurmukhi also. Although both the words are not linked, but this is just to remember the name of the matra using the Indian state. Okay, so these are all the letters that we have in Gurmukhi. Black ones are the Mukta letters. Blue ones are the letters with Bihari matra. So we discussed about Uda and Ada. These two letters will not be having the Bihari matra. Okay? We cannot have a sound by just using Uda. We already know that. We need to have a matra to have the sound of Uda. But the sound of Ada will be A. Okay? We cannot attach matra of Bihari with Ada. That is a different thing. But if no matra is attached to Ada, its sound will be A. Then we have Ed. We cannot have a sound of Ed if no matra is attached. We have to have a matra to have a sound from Ed. Once we have attached the Bihari matra with Ed, its sound will be E. So this is also the sound of our matra. E. Okay? Sasa. Sasa is going to give the sound of Sa. I have put a Bihari. It becomes C. C, it can be either C or C. You get the point, right? Sa, C. So we have attached this sound of E with the sound of Sa. Sa plus E, C. Then we have Ha-ha. Ha-ha is going to give the sound of Ha. You have attached Bihari matra. This becomes He. Then we have Kakka. Kakka is going to give the sound of Ka. Ki. Kakha. Kha. Ki. Gagga. Ga. Gi. Kagga. Ka. Ki. Nganga. Nga. Ni. Chacha. Cha. Chi. Chacha. Cha. Chi. Jajja. Ja. Ji. Chajja. Cha. Chi. Nyanya. Nya. Yi. Tanka. ट टी, ठट्ठा ठ ठी, डड्डा ड डी, टड्डा ट टी, नाणा ण णी, तत्ता त ती, थत्था थ थी, दद्दा द दी, तद्दा त ती, नन्ना न नी, पप्पा प पी, पफ्फा प पी, बब्बा ब बी, पब्बा प पी, मम्मा म मी, यय्या य यी, रारा र री, लल्ला ल ली, वावा व वी, डाड़ा ड़ डी. Then we have the last row, सस्से पैर बिंदी, शशा श शी, खखे पैर बिंदी, खखा ग खी, गग्गे पैर बिंदी, गग्गा ग गी, जज्जे पैर बिंदी, जज्जा ज जी, पफ्फे पैर बिंदी, पफ्फा प फी, लल्ले पैर बिंदी, लल्ला ल ली. So these are all the sounds that we can get once we have attached a Bihari matra. Just to remember some of the sounds, like we have D here, right? We can have D. It is just like the English alphabet. In the similar way, we have D here. You can mention it like this, T-H-E, D. And then you have me. It will be M-E, me, right? So in this way also you can remember the sounds. If you feel like these sounds are a little tough to remember, although I totally believe it is not, but in the beginning, if you feel like, okay, these are tough sounds, then you can look into the English words or English alphabets to remember the sounds. Okay, so this is all for today. If you have any questions related to the Bihari Matra, please let me know in the comment section below. Vaheguru Ji Ka Khalsa, Vaheguru Ji Ki Fateh.